Hey guys, before this video begins, I have some amazing news. We as Dollar Influencer will be doing a massive giveaway on the 26th of November on Black Friday. Yes, you heard that right. You and two other people can stand a chance to win 1,000 Rand on the 26th of November. Do you know how you can stand a chance? It is very simple. All you need to do is like and subscribe and make sure that you go on the comment section and comment something. It does not need to be anything in specific. You could just be talking about how the video helped you. It could literally be anything that you can think of. Just make sure that every single video you comment from now up until the 26th of November, and you could stand a chance to walk away with 1,000 Rand in your pockets. Me and Dollar Influencer will be announcing the winners on the 26th of November. So what are you waiting for? Make sure to hit that like and the subscribe and comment something right now from now to the 26th of November, and you could be the lucky person walking away with 1,000 Rand in your pocket. So let's jump right into the video. Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you about a new app that pays 981 Rand every single month in South Africa 2021. But before I begin, my name is Larry and welcome back to Dollar Influencer. Make sure to hit that like and that subscribe button so you are always in tune to our newest videos. The giveaway is happening this week. It is happening in 3 to 2 days. Make sure to hit that like, make sure to comment something so you are always in tune to our newest videos. So without wasting any more time, let's jump right into the video. So the first thing that I want you to do is that I want you to go on Google and type honey gain, and as it says here, passive income effortlessly. With honey gain you can make money by simply sharing your internet. Start earning now. Yes, you heard that right. You can literally make money just by giving this site access to your mobile data, and if you use Wi-Fi, then it's going to be the best app for you. You can make money literally by just sharing your data. As it says, your easiest way to earn passive income. Start earning with honey gain and use the money to pay for a streaming platform subscription. Unlock exclusive content on free-to-play video games, or simply treat yourself with a little online shopping. So this is pretty much a site where you can literally press a button, and the more data that it takes from you, the more you earn. As it says, you earn without compromising security. Honey gain ensures that your internet traffic is only used by trusted partners, and the app never asks to gain access to your storage or your service. So what happens is that they are pretty much working like a Wi-Fi router, and pretty much working as an international Wi-Fi router, and businesses pay them per month and then they give them data. How do they get data? By paying us to give them access to our Wi-Fi or mobile data. Know exactly what your internet is being used for. Once you start using honey gain, your devices act like view towers and help famous businesses access the World Wide Web without having to worry about location-based restrictions or worrying about censorship. So as it says here, estimate your earnings. Now you can connect more than one device on this thing. The more devices you have, obviously the more money that you will make. So as it says here, let's start off from one device and let me show you how much that you can earn. With one device you can make $7 to $10. With two devices you can make $13 to $16, and then with three devices $19, and if you have 10 devices you could literally make $61 per month. $61 is equal to 900 Rand, which is why in the title I said you can make 900 Rand every single month with the new app. So all you need to do, guys, is download honey gain right now, and it will show you exactly what to do. All you need to do is press a button and it will be able to access your mobile data or your Wi-Fi. It is a very slow process, which is why I said you will make money per month, because it's one of those things that requires a lot of patience and they only pay you at the end of the month. That is why it's so slow, and then after that you should get your money. They will obviously pay you with the international bank of the world, which is PayPal, and once they do that you should be okay. I will leave the link in the description so that you can have easy access. It works for Android or iOS users. Anyways guys, thank you for tuning in to Dollar Influencer. Make sure to hit that like and that subscribe button. Giveaway is happening soon. You know exactly what to do. I will see you guys in the next video. I love y'all. Peace.